The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will sport a couple of cameras provided by Chinese company Sunny Optical according to new report, with the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus lens providers already in the bag. Samsung has left no space for anything by Sony. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will be blessed with a quad camera setup on its rear side, and Galaxy S23 Ultra will have its 10-megapixel folded zoom telephoto camera and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera mostly produced by Sunny Optical, the Samsung of electromechanics telephoto and Namuga ultra-wide picking up any slack. The rest of the cameras headed to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra come from numerous manufacturers. South Korean firm McNex will be involved with providing the regular 10-megapixel telephoto lens along with fellow Korean company Patron, while the FAM 200-megapixel sensor is going to be sourced from Samsung Electromechanics. This leaves the Galaxy S23 Ultra selfie camera, which is reported as 12 and later 10-megapixel, with two more Korean outfits in the forms of Namova and PowerLogic brought in for supply purposes, with the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus purportedly having their cameras supplied by Samsung Electromechanics PowerLogic Partron and Camzys. Also based in Southern Korea, it seems Samsung has kept the camera equipment for the upcoming Galaxy S23 series, and mostly Korean affair with some assistance coming from the Chinese firm Sunny Optical. Samsung may employ cost-cutting methods for the entry-level Galaxy S23 model, which is set to go on sale early next year. Although the Galaxy S23 Ultra may be the Samsung's best try at a flagship phone for 2023, certain features on the normal Galaxy S the 23rd of May be cut or downgraded. According to a tip, one area that may see a downgrade is the vibration motor, often known as haptic feedback. Haptic feedback technology allows phone users to receive feedback from their phones through touch. It's possible that the Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra will have stronger haptic feedback than the 2022 models, but the Galaxy S23 will not. On one hand, Samsung might attempt to fill the FE Fan Edition gap with a more affordable Galaxy S23. On the other hand, reports dating back to the summer suggested that the FE series could return in 2023. Samsung hasn't released Galaxy S22 FE model this year. There's still plenty of time for new information to surface, as the Galaxy S23 series might be introduced in the first week of February. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.